Hey, what is up, guys? It is Harrison Barron. In this video, I want to go over a review of the M20Xs by Audio Technica. Now, this is a pair of headphones that I've had for a little while now, and I want to give you guys my thoughts and feedback compared to other headphones that I've used. Now, I've used some pretty big name brand headphones from Sennheiser's to Audio Technicas, and this is not my first set of these headphones, but it is my first set of the 20 series as opposed to the 50 and 40 series. So I want to give you guys my feedback on whether or not they're worth about the $50 currently on Amazon that they cost. It's a decent unboxing experience. The box feels premium, but when you open it up, they're kind of wrapped in this like plastic. It's a pain in the butt. I was going to do an unboxing of this, but I know that the way they package these headphones, they don't feel very luxurious when you're opening them. That doesn't mean that they're not luxurious. I will say I've used these before, and these are some of my favorite headphones as far as comfort. Now, the M20s and the M40s and the M50s and that M series line are all based on the exact same setup. They have a padded top piece. They also have padded over ear headphones. So this means they sit completely over your ear and they completely cover your ears, which I absolutely love. I don't particularly love headphones that sit on top of your ear. I find them to be very uncomfortable, but I will say the padding on here is extremely soft. I can wear these for hours. My ears do begin to sweat after a little while, but that's just something that I've always had to deal with. If you're somebody that feels like your ears would sweat being covered by this, I will say they're not the best. Now, I'm going to tell you what I like and don't like. First off, the sound quality is pretty good. It is not the best. For $50, I firmly believe that there are better options out there on the market that you can get. But if your money is like, hey, $50, I want a name brand, these are fantastic. They are durable. They have a 9-foot cable, and they also come with a 3.5 millimeter jack, which is sitting somewhere on my desk here, to a 1/4 inch plug that you can use for a studio headphone, right? So you can plug this into a mixer or something of that nature with that 1/4 inch jack, and you'll be able to hear. And it comes with a nice little adapter. I will say that is probably my favorite thing about these. You don't have to go buy another adapter. It comes in, plugs in, it's very simple, and now you're good to go as far as a studio headphone. And I love the fact that they're 9 feet. If you're a gamer or somebody that likes to get up and move around a little bit, these give you the flexibility. There's not a 6-foot cable or a 3-foot cable. It is a 9-foot cable. I could walk almost throughout this entire room and still be able to use my headphones, whether or not it's for music or other things. Now, what I will tell you, I've used these for video editing, and I've used these for listening to YouTube. I've used these for gaming, and I've used these for just general things on my computer. They perform fantastic as far as left to right. Where I will say they lack is really, really crispy, clean audio. Now, I'm not saying I'm a technophile, but I do have a $100 microphone and a $65 or $75 mixer. The audio that this produces is fantastic. The audio that I hear on here, in my opinion, just lacks a little bit. Now, if you're just an average Joe, these are going to far exceed most gaming headphones and any other headphones. I've currently been rocking a pair of $6 headphones here. I like that they just kind of plop in my ear. They're not silicone. I can still hear the dogs if they need to go out. I can still kind of hear around my environment, which I really like. These are fantastic. They're not noise canceling, but they do block out quite a bit of sound with that over-ear comfort. They're very easily adjustable. You can just push them down and pull them out based on whatever you want. They are durable. I've dropped these. My dogs have ran over them. They've been through the ringer and they seem to perform pretty good. Now, my only gripe with these headphones is they could just sound better. I would really hope for $50 that the audio would be a bit clearer coming through on them. And I get it. I'm off a 3.5 millimeter jack on a laptop. Desktop doesn't matter. I don't have an additional sound card in there, although it is a very nice laptop. I feel like these just don't hold up as good as a $75, $80, or $150 pair of headphones. That's 2 or 3 times the price. However, for $50, these are a great entry point. If you're like, hey, I want to start a little podcast, I want to have a decent setup. I believe that there are Sennheisers out there. There's a tier. They've gone up in price. I got them for like $15 back in the day, but they have grown in popularity and gone up in price to about $35 to $40. And in my opinion, they perform better than these. What I will say is these are way more comfortable. I could wear these for hours as long as I don't have to feel my ears sweat. I could wear these all day and I don't really have to worry about it. The impression that they leave on your hair, not that I have much, but at one point I did have a little bit more hair. It's not that bad, but it's like every over ear or overhead headphone, you're gonna have a little bit of an impression. But that's it. That's my take on them. They sound good. There's a great left to right. You can kind of get spatial audio and binaural audio, but it's just not as good as what I was hoping for $50. I'm not hating on them. They are fantastic headphones. They have a 4.5-star review on Amazon with 20,000 reviews. They are definitely tested and true to be great headphones, and I'm not hating on them. What I will say is, for $50, I think there are better headphones on the market. They may not be as durable, but the sound quality can definitely improve. I am going to be getting a pair of 50s, so an M20X, which I know produce incredible audio, but they are almost 3 times the price. I'm super excited. And like I said, if you're gaming, these are going to be fantastic. If you're editing videos for just about any general purpose, these are amazing. But if you're a bit of a technophile or audiophile, these are not going to deliver to the level that you're really hoping for. So if you're thinking like, oh my God, these are going to be the headphones. I've had these headphones. I had them till my house burned down, which is probably about 4 or 5 years. They're great, but there are better ones on the market that I'm ready to step up to. So if you're thinking about getting them, use this as advice. They're a great set of headphones. I do love them. They're super durable. You're not going to get the next level audio quality that you might be hoping for, but they are so much better than any headphones that are well below 25 or 30 bucks, such as these, and way more comfortable than a lot of headphones, believe it or not, in the $75 to about $125 range, in my opinion. So do what you will with that information. I hope this video helps. These are the Audio Technica M20Xs. I do love them, but I think I'm going to return them, and I'm going to go get the M50s. They're just better quality. I've used them before. I've used them for my podcast, and you can hear the most minute audio changes in the 50s versus this. If, you know, a car's driving past and the microphone happens to pick it up, I've been through this, you'll just get that extra little bit of being able to hear it. And then it's up to you whether or not you choose to delete that audio in post or anything like that. But those are my experiences, impressions. But what I will say is, if you're looking for a headphone that you could walk around the room with, these are fantastic. They're very comfortable. And with that 1/4-inch adapter, which normally you have to buy, and they're normally 15 bucks, that's a pretty good deal that it comes with. So just keep that in mind. If you're thinking about getting studio headphones and you buy headphones at the same price, it may not come with this adapter, and then you're gonna spend another 15 bucks on it. So hope this video helps. If you're looking to get these headphones, they are down in the link below. I will also say that getting a holder for them is fantastic. I have a little holder. There was one on my desk for a while. Now I have one on my wall right here, and it's super easy. You just 3M it to the wall, and it holds them. These aren't very heavy. I will say they are quite light. They feel good. They feel like quality, but it does help to have a little headphone stand or headphone holder, in my personal opinion. Love you guys. I hope this video helped. Like I said, I'm doing more podcast audio stuff because it's what I've been really interested in. And this is the Rode Pod Mic. If you're interested in that, links are down below too. I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye.